Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zips, and welcome back to Monster Train 2. So, my goal is to finish off the last couple of souls. We have 4 souls left. We have Lamb for Lazzy, Heartbreaker for Melting, Savanta for Wormkin, Wormgut for, no, not Wormgut, Sparky for Railforged. Yeah, I made the move for some rail forging today. Let's do some rail forging. We'll play with let's do like rail forge melting. Sure. Dregs might not be that bad. You know what? Sure, I'll play with Dregs. As our souls, we can do Shut them. The classic. Do I want to get fancy today, or do I just want to run stuff that's generically good? I kind of just want to run stuff that's generically good. I'll take Goldie. I could just do like L or Silver. Kind of would like something else that makes me strong right now. I do really like Silver though. L with starting Dregs doesn't sound particularly strong. We could do Warborn. Let's do a Warborn start. I don't think I've ever really started out with Warborn. And as our Pyre, we can do... I feel like doing a Pyre of Dominion run. Can I do a Pyre of Dominion run here? And get rid of the starting cards that I was just complimenting? You know what? I'm down. I'm fine to get rid of Dreg. And am I playing with Herzl today? Or do I want to play with Hef? I'll play with Herzl. Or do I want to play with Hef? Yeah, we did Hef last time we did this clan, so let's do Herzl. Alrighty, off we go. Pyre of Dominion run. Let's get Domitious. Dominicious. I don't think that's a word. Dominionous. Wickless Tycoon as our starting card, along with Goldie. So that's gonna be a lot of money. That's also just a lot of units. So what do we got here? 15 to your starting units is probably fine. I don't think I want to do a Pyre plating build. Starting Subsuming Blade is kind of interesting. Piercing is also like kind of good in this mode because this mode has a lot of armor. You know what? I'm down. I do love me some Conductor Stewards. One of the goats. I have nothing to support these Wickless Tycoons. We kind of got like a blank slate, or no, not I can support the Wickless Tycoons. I can't support the Lady of the Houses. Hef's blueprint is just like amazing. Amazing. And I think I'll do Blacksmith here because I would like Forge. Although unfortunately this is all the Forge I can muster. Ooh. Okay. Does also make sense to play this with the equipped line with Armament Drive. Alright. Off we go then. I think I can take this trial. I got this trial. I got this. Don't even worry about it. I got it all under control. I legitimately think I just want to... Oh my goodness, the money. Oh my goodness, the money. Is this good? Hey, this Armament Drive goes hard. Can't deny that. That armament drive goes kind of hard. Look at this guy's down there. Holy money. Oh my money. Wow. Wow. If only I could fit a conductor steward onto the floor. Here's what I could do, though. Oh, it's for every unequipped unit. Oh, interesting. Fascinating. So instead, if I did this, I could get another burst. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. I hope I can win Relentless. Damn, my only 2 cards are gonna be these Subsuming Blades, huh? I'm taking kind of a lot of damage here. No biggie. Okay, thankfully I can kill these guys. Oh, I really hope I actually win this Relentless. Okay, I do, thank God. So I get to walk. I just looked at my money. Oh my God. What the fuck? Holy. I'm rich. Holy, I'm rich. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I kind of want to be picky here with the cards in my run. Although Bonk, problem with Bonk is that it steals slays from my Subsuming Blade. I can likely take a Drip Fall. What a weird ass setup we have. I don't know how to feel about this. Cannot fight Mayra first. Mayra is deaf. We've established this many a time. I can get so many boss relics in this run, man. We just gotta like get past Thaddeus. Or we could do we're not getting past Mayra. So we can do Thaddeus here. What the hell is going on, man? What the freak? What the freak? Do I take Wickless Baron in this run? I probably should. But if I do that, I have less money on the floor. Think about it. I'll take Wickless Baron. I'll play safe. I do want to equip effects, but I don't know if Swift Steel Dagger is particularly good. I mean, it probably is. Alright, give me +2 Blacksmith. And let's do some more forging. Oh god, Quoto is very scary. You do not need to take the trial. So realistically, I am not supposed to put this many Barons on a floor. I am not supposed to put this many Wickless Tycoons on a floor. But where's the... But come on, man. Come on, man. Get a grip. Get a grip, man. So you should do it like... Oh, you know what I actually really like doing? I really like slamming Conductor Steward. I really like doing this, actually. Getting Conductor Steward on the floor so I can press his ability is actually really sick with it. So let's see what this turn looks like. I'll give stats to the first two guys. I think that was good. I can't help but feel like that was good. This armament drive again. Oh, I should play more units first, though. I do have a lot of forge, which will go to you. I mean, just building up all this... wait, but Okay, well, hold on, wait. There's an order. There's an order to this operation. So the way you do this is that you play the spider... the spiders first. Kill that guy. Because I need money. I'm so broke. Ah, wait, this doesn't do units on all floor. Okay, I understand. Then you drop this, and then you get to keep all the nice stats. I need to drip fall you off the floor. Which I don't know if that's actually good. I do have Conductor Steward ready to go for the... Just play this. Get it out of your deck. So here's the move. Shoot this... Oh wait, I'm already winning. Well, might as well. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Oh my god. Urzel, calm down. Urzel, stop! Urzel, stop! You're already dead! Bro. Are you seeing this money? Do I actually like this so I can fit some more units onto my floor? Holy goddamn, man. I have all this money and now I need to figure out what I do with it. Sure, I don't think I'll steal Bully Claw, actually. Might as well. I don't really want another Drip Fall. I do kind of like a Relic, but I also kind of like maybe a Overall Forge unit. Spike Driver Factory. This can't be good. This shit can't possibly be good. Absolutely not. I think I get rid of the Attempt Explosives because I simply do not have room to play them. Oh my god. Are you seeing this run? Are you at home? Are you seeing this? You seeing these shenanigans? This actually the craziest amount of money I've ever had in this game, and that is saying something. Because I've had setups with some nutty amounts of money. I don't think I want Wickless Baron on the floor. I think that's my take. Yeah, actually, why the hell would I want Wickless Baron on the floor? I'm gonna put you here. And we start shooting dudes. I would like to descend that guy. Do I really have no one to kill? Quite so. Let me check something here. Can I use this to pull you to the floor? I can. That is good news. Good news, everyone. Bum, 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 bum. Play the Spike Driver just to kill it. No, I don't mean to alarm you, but I am indeed, like, not gaining Let's press the train ability. Oh, I'm still dying, and I'm not killing the enemy. Oh, it's kind of a disaster. Okay, I would like to build a more, stuff first. Quite so. Oh, hello, Relentless. Do I just, like, save all this forge for the... here, you can do a play like this. Although I'd really like to play Conductor Steward here. I think trying to play Conductor Steward is a lot stronger. Man, they fucking get in my mans. They sabotaging my econ. Right. I know this looks bad, but watch this drive. Watch this drive. So you play this. Get boom, 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 boom. Then you click quick, and then he fucking one-shots the enemies. GG. Whoa. What a wacky start. What a wacky setup this is. Sentry turret. With such a small deck, I could maybe actually play this. This just immediately shoots every single enemy on the floor. The problem is that this is very useless in Relentless. And I'm kind of more scared of Relentless. I can see a Rail Forge spike though, because Forge is how we win. More Forge, less problems. Holy shit, Red Hot? Oh, wait. I mean, I've already clicked on it. It is still pretty good. I think I would like to go to this and get a... Oh, but I could start getting my boss relics. Oh, I kind of want to start getting my boss relics. Oh, I like getting boss relics here. Oh, let's start. And Insecure, I don't think it's that bad. Okay, give me some good stuff. Space, yoink. Crystallized Wings, yoink. Backstrips, yoink. Holy, man. Oh my god. I'm gonna get rid of these stupid spike drivers. Bro, I still have money. Look at all that value we just got. Look at all this value. I am not taking the cop out. I refuse. You can't make me. Probably want Wickless Baron in this run. No, I don't actually hate doing this. I'd lose out on money, but I gain not dying. And I kind of like not dying. Alrighty. Onwards into this weird-ass, goofy-ass, Chungus-ass run. All my units have burst, which is quite nice. Oh my god, and I have more space and energy on the floor! Unfortunately, I am making less money now. That's shameful. How utterly shameful. Dog, I kind of only care... I just care about permascale in here. That's a lot of equipment. Ah, wait, crap. Hold on. Hold on a moment. I did not mean to press that button. Alright, explode all over them. And you get, like... So turn this off. Armament drive. Boom. 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 Just kill the enemies. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a lot of cards. Damn. This is like fanning the flames, but good. Yeah, you know what? Give me more burst. We will just one-shot the boss. Thoughts? Thoughts on one-shotting the boss? I like the idea of this. I want to keep my scaling coming along. So I will kill my own conductor. Guys, I don't have a deck. Guys, my deck is a little tiny. Be gone, fool. Bonk, 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 bonk. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. And he falls. Wow. Mechanist Totem is probably something I'm gonna want against Swarm Host. Resin removal is very strong. It's like hard not to want to click on it in this mode, but I also feel kind of focused in my game plan and I don't need it. Me? Don't need it. I don't need it. All I need in this run is money. That is all I need. Put this on a conductor. Put 20 HP onto you. There's no reason not to press everything here. Do like burst. Dualism? Not that's doing anything. Multi-strike. So multi-strike is good. I think we're playing Baron as our main plan. And then we just have a bunch of like cool stuff to support him. Along stillways. Like a -1 in armored ring drive here. Do I want to put spell chain on anything? I almost certainly do. This won't have, unfortunately, if I do it on, unfortunately, if I put it on this, then it won't, then the copy won't have the red hot. Which kind of makes me not want to do it. Put this on like a drip fall. Intrinsic. Putting this on an armament drive silly. No, I don't think it is. Let's make that free actually. And just getting a bunch of scaling turn 1 is good. Alrighty. Lots of money has been spent. And lots of more will continue to come. Lots of money will be in our future. You chill on the floor. Ooh, and if I play like this, I get 1 hit out of my, look at this. Look at this manly floor. Look at this manly, distinguished floor. Filled with, like, gentlemen. Gentlemen? I'll actually loot. If I did this instead. Holy crap, I'm going to gain a lot of forge here, aren't I? Wait, no, what? Wait, watch this turn, watch this turn, watch this turn. Watch this. So we do this. I also... drawing days here does save my conductor. But I am hitting, like, a lot. Unfortunately, this is my only way of gaining forge. How much forge are we going to have by the end of this? And then I'm going to put this on you. Because this is my guy with the multi-strike. Alright, pretty good turn one. I would say that was a pretty good turn one. I would say so. Oh shit, man. Oh shit. And then we keep the burst coming. This is definitely the strongest run I've gotten with this line. I would like a little bit of money here. Unfortunately, my ability to make money is going to dry up a little bit. Because our main goal in this run is just to kind of one-shot this fucker. Just pre-relentless kill the boss. If I just send you off the floor. Yep, that is a pre-relentless kill. GG's. GG's, baby. That was like, what, a 3-turn fight? I think that was like a 3-turn fight. Weird. God, if I could actually play a Herzl's... I have to try for Herzl's hammer. Because if you get it off in a turn, it's literally 50 billion stats to your whole floor. I have to try. It's like kind of not okay. All this sucks. If I could put Mean Mug on Herzl, that would be really funny. Sadly, I mean, I don't need Solaris for... I guess I'll take Solaris for our... I'll take Solaris for Railforge Spike. And I will happily go here. Lots of good stuff there. Lots of good unit upgrades. Almost clicked on this. That would have been really sad. That would have been very saddening. Even in this mode, you don't click on the other option. I don't think I want to take 125 Pyrage. Higher damage for 0 upside. In this mode, what is basically 0 upside. Let's be honest with ourselves. Do we even need to be honest with ourselves? It's just... It's quite obvious on, like, how good that is. Whoa. Alright, give me all my burst. Huh. He only gains 2 bursts. I thought he was getting more for some reason. No, that does say only gain 2 bursts. That do be what it's saying. Bro, my guy isn't even going to attack this. Like, I can't put this on him yet. Here, steal Holy Claw you onto the floor. Like, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's just too much. These stinking enemies, they literally won't even be able to reach me. I'll forge for that much. But yes, let's start generating forge. Start. No, wait. Fuck my forge. My forge. Also, wait, how much? I have 40 forge? What? When did that happen? No, I want more. I want more forge. You know what? Fine. Fine. Whatever. Bro, this run is not okay. This run is not okay. Like, what are you gonna do, coward? You're not gonna live. You're dead. Goodbye. You're gonna fucking the hammer down. Extreme style. Like, I don't need anything else. We still have a boss after this. Or we still have like another ring after this. After we beat Mayra, we still got to fight Lilith. We've won. They can't even get close. They literally can't even get close to me. What the hell? Is this fair? I don't think this is very fair. Although life's not fair, I guess you gotta remember. Life is not fair, unless you're me, in which case life fucking rules sometimes. When you get to do goofy, stupid, dumbass shit like this. Goofy, stupid, gabungus, chicanery like this. Here, make you one space too. I should probably done like burst 4. Ooh, I actually like you having -1 energy. It's kind of nice. I don't actually want my guys to be quick, like weirdly enough. I don't want them to be quick. Alright, just save your money for the next relic shop. Setting up top floor gonna be scary here, it shouldn't. I really feel like it shouldn't be. Still sadly don't have enough energy to play all my guys. I do have enough energy to... Alright, no. Mayra is about to eat the smackdown. And we're going to get 50 billion. We end off on what now? Like, look at the stats. So we're starting at... That's plus 87 stats the whole floor, man. Jesus. Also, these guys down here, they don't even reach me. Chill, man. Oh, wait, I wasted 1 equipment. Wait, watch this drive from Herzl. Bonk, 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 tong, 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 tong. Oh my god. Shang Tang Tung Reserve. Don't ask what I just said. I don't know. I will rail Forge Spike for 50 million. Don't look at the number I was applying there. Yeah, that seems pretty good. 1,000. Bro, what the fuck? Alright, goodbye, Mayra. Adios. I'm literally winning these fights in a blink of an eye, man. What the hell? I don't think I could lose this run even if I tried. Here, I don't know, giving like... Wait! You can't you can't quadra-stack Forge. How disappointing. How disappointing. Why do okay? All right, here's what I want to do. I want more. Need more. 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 However that fucking Star Wars clip goes. I mean, they do quip they do quip a good amount in Star Wars. They do say stuff like, "Now this is pod racing." What the fuck am I talking about Star Wars? Wait, shit, no, I didn't get to play my wick list. Oh, my money, I'm poor. I'm broke. Alrighty. Bro, oh, man, my hand is too full. I've eaten too much, man. I've had too much to eat. Kill some of those units, please. Just play that on you. Just get it out of your hand so you can bonk, 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 bonk. I did not think you could get like this much crazy shit out of this fucking Herzl line. This Herzl line I thought was good. I didn't think it would be this good. I didn't think you could do like as broken goofy shit as like as we're doing in this run. Are these enemies even gonna fucking reach me? No, these enemies are not even gonna reach me, and I'm not even gonna let them reach me. Yeah, I ain't even gonna give you a chance. Do I get less money for this? I do. Am I fucking flexing on these fools? I am. And that's all that really matters. How much burst is too much burst? Tell me. Tell me the answer. Cause I don't know, cause I can't stop. You can't stop me. Ah shit, wait, they're actually gonna get up a floor. No! No, stop it, stop it, don't go to the floor. Alright, fine, I have enough burst to win this fight. I do want to keep scaling my thing. These enemies can't even reach me. Can I like ascend this guy? Wait, oh wait, no, it's not. I can't. They won't let me ascend this guy. They won't let me ascend the boss to the top floor so I can kill him faster. Game hates me, man. This game hates me. It's true. This game really does hate me. Get out of here. Ring the damn horn to the train. Bow to your king. Don't need it. You really don't. Do you really need anything else? No, I don't. I'm not even gonna. Bro, my brain is just can't right now. This run has turned my brain into mush. Into mushy peas. I don't even need. I'm going to one shot. I'm possibly going to turn one. There's a chance we can turn one. Or like definitely turn one this boat. The mother. The life mother. Here's what we do. Mold. Merge these two into one. It costs less now, which is good. Which is good. That's good. That's good. I cannot afford another shop relic. I will take this though. I will take that nice stuff, and I don't have anything else I want to remove here. Alrighty. Light the fireworks. It's time to watch a show. Stand back and peep the light show. So you get down all your goofy little mans. You do have, in fact, enough space to play all of them. I put the wrong unit in the front, but I don't care because it like. Watch this drive. First up, you play Railforge Spike. My merge equipment costs too much. Kill these guys. Alright, now it does it. Good. So. Generate all the equipment. No, fuck, I spent my forge. God damn it, I spent my forge. Oops. Oops. Alright, play this first, then kill these guys down here so you can make your stuff cost one less. Just play this to get it out of your hand. Play this to get it out of your hand so you can get the max number of crafted equipments. It is too much. I drew it again! Oh my god. Wait, shit, I gave it to the wrong unit. No, wait, that actually sabotages me. No. Not like... Wait. God damn it, I didn't turn off Forge. Turn this shit off. Man. Get that shit out of here. Okay, just get your goofy stuff out of your deck. Okay. Now this is correct. Make sure you are playing it on your correct unit. Which is you. Do it again. Dude, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Do it again. Dude. Boom, boom, boom. Do it one final time. And then, that is 57 multi-strike. Turn on the forge, one shot. Big stretch, big stretch. Nice little turn one kill onto Lilith there. Lilith there. I don't care. I don't care what you're giving me here. Come on. Now the real question. Do we one-shot Life Mother? Do we get there with against Life Mother though? Life Mother is gonna be a tougher cookie to crack. So, let's see if we have, wait, you have forge, you have 10 forge from the last fight. You're gonna need every little point of forge here to one-shot this bozo. Okay. Boom. Here, you know what? Put Herzl in the front. Let Herzl stare down this. Let's let Herzl stare this down. Okay. Do I have everything that I need? I believe so. I have one shot the bottom floor. I believe I have everything that I need. Yo. Oh, this is actually perfect. It says that we are losing. My turn. Oh, wait, play this first. Get out of your hand. Okay. My turn. Let's play. Oh, that's less good, actually, man. I feel like that's still very good. And I still feel like I should get this one shot here. Okay. We've played all our cards. Boom. Hit this. I mean, wait. Oh, they're actually killing him. It's fine, though, because I still win. Literal fucking Exodia combo in this run, man. Holy shit. Herzl proven why he's like the strongest character in the lore. Something. Sound the train, buddy. Yeah, you're going down. Oh, Herzl just barely. We have at. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's glorious. Oh, it's glorious. Oh, it's something else, man. It's something else. What's my score gonna be in this run? What's my actual score gonna be here? Because this is some score maxing if I've ever seen it. Dun, 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 dun. 84,000? Wow. Damn. Damn, man. Hold up, can I check like leaderboards? Let me check leaderboards. Where are Soul Survivor records? Stats leaderboard. Score. It doesn't. There's not a leaderboard for. There's not a leaderboard for Soul Survivor. How sad. Alright, well, anyway, that's good for this episode of Monster Train 2 Soul Survivor. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.